This was too beautiful to pass up. It's a quick share, a few seconds worth. Just fantastic. Hope you're all having a wonderful evening. I'm going to post on the next video some snaps or shots of the Jerusalem, I guess, the lines that were going from top to bottom, and show you what he was able to do with it and get out. So I'm going to be sharing that in a few minutes. Alright, I just wanted to share this real quick, and then I'm going to do a couple pictures on a reveal of that so-called possible elevator. Alright, see you soon.